The day after tomorrow, I must work at the Crawford. Crawford is very, very easy. Last an hour. Just open it. I think my screen is visible for you. Am I shared or not? Please respond. I think is it visible? Right?
It's visible, sir.
Yeah, go. MS Paint. Your mouse is more louder, not only you, all the voices. Then even more. Today I'm getting big voice. Spirit.
Sir, आपको
Okay, just I'm opening. See, today our intention is we need to check whether given file is empty or see given file is empty or not. I think my spelling is correct, right? Spelling mistake. Empty. EMPTY. I'm asking to you, maybe other than I think Uday, other people try to answer it. How can I create one empty file? Please respond, anyone. I think I'm expecting from Dharani. I think I'm expecting from Dharani. Dharani, what asking to you, I hope you understood, right? What I'm asking, I need to create an empty file. I need to create an empty file. See, I connected to this is my Linux instance, you know it. Maybe it is timed out. I think if I am audible, you try to.
So sorry to disturb you. So every time we start that Linux instance, we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to connect server and then
yeah, yeah. That is the common one. Maybe
oh,
do you have any special thing? I think other than this, you are asking a doubt. I think right.
yes, sir.
Yeah, for one reason is there. I'll explain later why they are providing like that.
Okay,
Because
sir.
you are not using resources. Assume maybe I connected ma. Maybe
Hmm.
5 minutes I am not using. After 5 minutes I am not using. What their feeling is I am not consuming the resources, right? Why
Okay.
do their feeling is why do we continue? Maybe he or her. Maybe we are in
Okay.
sleeping mode. What that
Okay.
means the server can work fasterly. Are you understand or not? Suppose here
Okay,
10
sir.
members got connected. You and me are interacting. Others are not interacting. My feeling is what? Every time you may ask the question, got it or not?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
resource effective utilization purpose, they are providing such a process. Maybe we can avoid this one also. I'll tell you how to avoid in future classes. Control
Okay.
here. Now see. Now our intention is what? I need to create an empty file. If you know it, try to tell me now. How do I create an empty file? I think everybody know. If I tell you, you feel shy. Okay, already we know this. Why I didn't tell to Sarah? You might tell like, Seema, I'm using touch command. Touch command. Tell me one file name. I'm taking. Okay. Now, this file is an empty file or not? How can I know? ls hyphen, ls hyphen, you know. What is ls? ls stands for anyone respond? What is ls? What is ls? Try to interact. Don't think otherwise. If possible, try to interact. ls hyphen l l t ls hyphen ltr ltr. Now check it. I may get the end your file name. Your file name. How many bytes it occupied? Ma? Observe and tell me. Anyone? How many bytes it occupied? I think is it visible for you? How many bytes this file name Neetu can occupy? I think
Zero
I'm
bytes, sir.
asking.
0 bytes.
0 bytes means what? 0 bytes means what? See, I'm having an empty bag. Nothing is there. Bag is empty. Generally, we can say, right? Suppose I'm a cat greater than Neetu. Neeth. I'm writing I Neetu. Neeth. You know how to save this? I think Oda, you know how to save this, right? I think today we discussed. I think maybe you understood. I think maybe you forgot or not. I hope how to save this. Oda, control control D. Am I used or not? Such command. Am I used or not? Uday, Or agree with me or not? Control D means save. How can I check this? ls hyphen L D R. I think my internet is somewhat slow. I think someone is trying to join. Someone is trying to join. Please. Who got joined? Got joined. Okay, already moved people. Okay, right. Who is rejoined now? I think Dharani. You joined, I think.
Sir, my net slow, sir.
Okay, okay. Even my net also slow. Don't worry. If any problem is there, disconnect it, reconnect it. Even some people may feel sour, may feel something. I never feel
Okay, sir.
anything. I never feel. Maybe my intention is you want to attend, you want to listen it, you want to ask many questions. My I am here for your interest, for your asking questions only. Okay. Now anyone tell me this is the file name is Neetu. File name is Neetu. It contain how many bytes? How many bytes? Can you anyone observe and tell me? I am not asking what is the number. What is the number here? What is the number here? 10 only, right? 10 is nothing but 10 is nothing but 10 bytes, man. 10 bytes. One byte is nothing but, one byte is nothing but, no, how many characters? Anyone respond? One byte is nothing but how many characters? Based on my answer, you can easily tell, ma. Maybe, maybe 20 seconds back, I interacted with you. How many bytes are there here? 10 bytes. How many characters are there? 10 characters. That means one byte is equal to one character. One byte is equal to one character. Are you agree with me or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, we need to check. This is the briefing I given. We need to check this. Maybe I may create Neetu is not empty. Neetu one is empty file. Please respond how to create an empty file. POUCH touch NEETHU one. One empty file is there, one non-empty file is there. One empty file is there, one non-empty. How can I check both are? One is empty, one is non-empty. Those who are having 0 bytes is empty file. Those who are not having 0 is nothing but non-empty. I hope till now clear, I think. Everybody got it? Now we need to check VI. VI means what is VI? Anyone respond? What VI represents? VA represents the editor, view editor. What does that mean, ma? You need to tell view editor. I am giving n dot s. So I am taking like that. I am giving one name n. Today everything I may go with n. Maybe Neetu one n. Suppose we are taking like that. This is empty editor, right? This is the empty editor. In this, first I need to read a file name. I need to read a file name. How can I read? Anyone respond? How can I read my file content? Insert, I insert, read, hyphen P. P represents what, Neetu? P represents what? P represents what? Prompt. P represents prompt. Maybe assume I am going, maybe in front of you, I am going. I didn't identify. What you may call, hey sir, or hey, or something you may call, right? Same
Yes,
way,
sir.
same way it is prompting. Prompting means giving something. Good evening. Enter. What is that, ma? Enter any file name. Till now clear? How can I represent file name? Fname. Here we may write ABC also, but meaningful name I am giving Fname. I hope till now clear. Okay, file is there. File is there. This file, this file is already existing or not. We need to check. How can I check, Neetu? How can I check, Neetu? This file got exist or not? How can I check? If by using if condition, square bracket, space, hyphen E. What does it mean? E represents what? Anyone respond? E represents what? Exist. E represents exist. What it is existing. $. Fname. If really exist, then something you need to do, right? If file got exist, maybe echo, very good, echo. See, file got exist, EXI, Maybe file name, you want to see file name? Okay, that file name, dollar sign. Please guide me. Dollar sign, F name,
F
got,
name.
got exist. Got
Ex-
exist. Till now clear. Okay, that is good. Yeah, everything is fine. Now my intention is, I am using again if. Again I am using if, square bracket, hyphen yes. What I am giving? Dollar sign, F name, dollar sign, F name, square bracket. Then what will you do? Echo,
File.
echo, file is, see dollar sign, F
F
name,
name. Plus name.
is not an empty file, not an empty file, not an empty file. How can you say is not an empty file? By using which argument?
Yes.
Yes. I think you know what F argument says now. What hyphen F says? What hyphen F says? Anyone tell me? What a hyphen F says? Okay. The file is not empty, right? I may want to display content. Cat possible, right? Cat. How can I display content? Please respond.
File
Cat
name.
dollar sign F
Dollar
name.
sign. F name.
I think is it clear? Right.
Yes.
Even the good processor is less than is the right processor. You may give or not give, it will print mark. You may give or not give, it will print. Okay, good. What is else? Else condition? Echo. Maybe dollar sign, F name is an empty file. Is an empty file.
Empty file.
Empty file. I hope got it or not. One more thing. Here, internal if is started, how can I end with internal if? Anyone respond? How
F
can I end with F5? Very good. One more external if is there. Else, please
again.
respond.
Again
Echo.
F5, sir.
Tell me the message, please. Message. Anyone? Please respond. I don't know. I forgot.
Dollar F name.
Very good. Dollar F name. Good. What it represents, please observe and tell me. What hyphen E representing? Hey, are you exist or not? See,
Exist.
you know,
File does
you,
not exist. F name does
ma,
not exist.
I muted my here. Your intention is, hey, are you, sir, are you there or not? You may feel like that, right? See,
Yes, sir.
file doesn't, file, tell me, if file name,
Not a file.
not a file. That's all. I need to end with what? Tell me once again. F5. Dharani, why I am giving two FIs, ma? At least you observe and tell me. Why am I giving two FIs? Maybe, is it right syntax or wrong syntax? Why I am giving two FIs? Everybody can easily understand, right? Here, outer if started with if, end with FI. Inner if started with if, inner if is ended with FI. I hope you got it. See, this is the else part. If it is not true, coming to here. If it is not true, coming to here. I hope you got it. Even whether you know programming language or you don't know programming language, logic is clear, right? Logic is clear, right? We are using some keywords. I hear what are the keywords, ma? Anyone observe and tell me what are the keywords I used? Those are in color yellow. Those are in color yellow. All are keywords. Read is keyword. If is keyword. Then is keyword. Even echo is the keyword. Command, echo, you know, feeling is command, right? Commands are keywords similars. Generally, I said, what is shell script? Anyone give me the definition? What is shell script? Combining Linux commands
Line
and
comments.
and adding language features. Now, if condition is the language feature. Even you take any one programming language. Ma, need to tell me three programming language names, ma, well-known names. Maybe you better
C, C++, Java.
Java. Okay. Those languages are supporting IFF, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Now, how to execute this? Please respond, anyone. How can I execute this? Please respond. How can I execute this? Which program? N.sh. N.sh. Now control L I am giving. Now please guide me. Our file name is N.sh. Dash Now tell me dot slash n dot sh.
SH.
Are you agree with me? Yes. Now, what is your file name? First file name is Neetu. Neethu. I am giving file name. Is it empty file? Is it non-empty file? Maybe before viewing output. Try to tell me. You want to see? I can.
Non-empty
Very
files.
non-empty file. You may get the message. See, Neetu. See, Neetu got
Got
exist.
exist.
Neetu is
Neetu is
non-empty file. Neetu is having hi Neetu.
I need to.
Got it. Now suppose I am giving which one ma? Neetu one. Neethu one. Now what I may get the message?
Neetu
Neetu,
got exist.
what it is saying?
Empty file. It's
Neetu
an
is an
empty file.
empty file. Suppose I may give enter. I am giving NEELU some name.
File
Now tell me file.
does not exist.
Say Neelu not a file. Neelu not a file. I hope you got the clarity.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving to document. What Uday? At least you understood or not what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. This is the shell script. Maybe parallelly, if possible, try to learn it, try to do it. If not possible, maybe in future classes we'll see it. And now I'm going to documentation. Please refer our document. Everybody having document. Those who are not having, ping me. I'll provide the document for other cells. Now, I think this one only implemented. Now check the question. Anybody? I think anyone try to read yourself. If any doubt is there, ask. Write a script that reads file name and check whether it is empty file or not. Final logic, conclusion I'm asking. How can you say one file is empty or not? How can you check? By using which argument you can check, Neetu? By using which argument you can check it? Only one argument here. What is that? Based on which argument you can check is it empty file or not? Not an empty. If you remember that one, our work is very simple. Have you understood? What is the argument? I am selecting. Please at least read this.
S.
What it
I-
represents? What it yes represents either empty or non-empty. See, yes represents non-empty. Opposite of non-empty is what? Empty only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What it represents? Anyone respond? What it represents? What Neelaveni? What it represents? Hyphen F. F represent RU a file. RU a file. If it is a file, then only we'll check even got it or not. If really file is there, that file is empty or not. Here what it is, searching here, what we are representing here, A or A. Or you are there or not. E means what? You are exist or not. F means what? You are a file or not. Once you are a file, you are having data or not. If
Data.
having data, or not a non-empty file. Even in my case, what I did, I printed content also, right? I printed content also. Now good. Write a script that accept two file names and check whether both files having same content or not. Both files having same only, right? Same content or not. How they are checking? They are taking some data. Maybe shall we go for that? First file name one, file name. We'll create one. File name one and file name. Manually we'll check it. Please observe how to create two file names. Two file names. I want to create it. cat or touch. Shall we go and create? Touch. TOUCH touch. I am taking file 1 space file 2. Is it good?
File.
Is it right syntax or not? Is it valid or not? How many files at a time am I creating? Two files. What are they? File 1, file 2. Are you agree with me? Yes, sir. But these two are empty files. How can you say these two are empty? ls hyphen l t or now check it. File 1, nothing is there. Nothing means 0. File 2 is 0. Now my intention is I need to save welcome message in both files. I need to save welcome message in both files. Now please respond cat greater than file 1. Now enter it. Welcome. Control D. Not supporting control D. Now same message I need to store in file 2 by using cp command. Anyone tell me how can I copy this? Please guide me. I want to use cp command. Did you forget or not? cp, which file contain our content? File 1. Where I want to move that content? File 2. Now check it. Both files having cat. Observe ma, cat, file 1, cat, file 1, space, file 2. Please observe. Now check it. Both are having same content. Now I may go with compare. CMP, right? CMP, file 1, space, file 2. What happened? Tell file. Nothing is there. Both are equal. It won't display anything. This thing we need to check with alpha. We need to check. Maybe I may go with file 3 ma. I may go with file 3. In file 3, I may write something. Now, what is that? Cat greater than file 3. I am writing
Yes, sir.
something. Control T. Message is different, right? Different message or not? I may compare CMP. What is the file 1? File 1 only.
File 1
I am
and
comparing with the file 3. File 3. Now check it. Hey, something goes wrong. File 1 and file 3 differ in byte 1, line 1.
Line
See, byte 1 means first character.
character.
Here also first character. Both are same or both are different? Check it and tell me.
Different, sir.
Different. I hope concept is clear. I think our requirement is how to implement that. One. Shall we go for that? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now VI. What is the file name? We may take. Maybe I may take n1 dot sh. Now guide me. Insert. Please, anyone can guide me. Read -p. Enter file 1. Enter file.
File 1.
Maybe at the rate, not at the rate, right? F name 1, file name 1. Now read -p, enter, please respond, enter file 2. How can I go? F name 2, till now clear, right? Till now clear. I need to check these two files by using if condition only, right? Observe our documentation. Till now clear. I think till first two lines are clear or not? Here I am taking some result now. I am comparing. If nothing is there, nothing means empty will store. See, how can I check empty string? How can I check -z? Z means Z. If it is Z means nothing is there. Difference is not there means either may 0 or null. We'll print on that one also. First I'll check it. How can I check? Now observe result. We may go like this. Result. Now tell me here. Result. $sign. Now you go with compare CMP. What is the first file name? Please respond. How can I represent first file name? Anyone know it? Tell me. $sign. F name.
1.
Very good. Now $sign. F name.
2.
This result it will compare. If both are not differ, it will store it what? Empty, right? It will store it empty. How can I check this one? If square bracket -z that $sign RESUL result. Are you understanding? Then what will you print? Echo. Both are equal. Equal means there is no difference, right? Equal. Else echo, and both are different. Very simple. I am giving differ. Now I need to give what? F5. Shall we go and try it? Shall we go and try it? I think nothing is wrong in my way. I can go and check it. Maybe here you need, I think my way of is good. I think I am not wrong. Please observe here. I think I am not wrong. There you need to specify string, right? String, I think double quotation is not mandatory. Double quotation is not mandatory, but anyway, we'll check it. Anyway, we'll check it. Now, please observe escape, shift colon, X. How to execute? Please respond, anyone. How to execute this? Control L. And now tell me bash bash dot slash. What is the file name? n1 dot sh. It is expecting file 1. What is our file name? File 1 only.
File 1,
Please file 2.
file 2.
Now see, both are equal. I may go with once again. I am giving file 1. File 1. Now I am giving file 3 ma. File 3. You know it, right? Both are not equal. Yes. See, both are differ. Both are differ. It is expecting something, right? Too many arguments. Maybe something expecting, right? We'll try to manage that one. How can we manage? Only simple thing. Maybe I think double quotation is missing. What it feeling is R1 letter or E1 letter. It is internally feeling like that. We are saying no, these are not multiple. This is single. Escape. Shift colon. Yes. Now just enter it. Now I am giving file 1 and file 3. Now are you getting any no warnings, right? No errors, right? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
One string is empty or non-empty by using which argument? Hyphen z. Hyphen z means z. Got it. I hope it clear. Now coming to write a script that accepts a file name and display user permissions. Read permission, write permission, executable permission. Very simply to recognize hyphen R represents what? Already file permissions. Are you agree with me? Already file permissions. Generally, what are the file permissions? Maybe user, group,
Read, write,
other.
execute.
Yeah, read, write, execute. This is the well-known simple story. See, R represents read, W represents write, and X represents what? Execute. Is there any speciality? I think I no need to write this because of everybody know, right? Are you having read permission or not? Are you having write permission or not? Are you having executable permission or not? This is a very simple thing, man. You try it. If any difficulties there, ask me. Again, I may do it. Here you need to remember in interview what they are asking. How can I know our file is read permission is having or not? How can I check? By using which argument? Or W represents write. W represent write. X represent executable. I hope you got it. Write a script that reads file name and remove the specified file. I think this is also very simple. Already well-known story. RM. What is the purpose of RM? Please respond. RM purpose is what? To remove either a directory or maybe file. For removing file or directory. Are you agree with me or not? First, what we are checking here? Hey, you are exist. If you are exist means I can remove. Without existing, how can I remove, right? Are understanding or not? See, I am going to here. Please observe very simple thing. I am trying to RM hyphen RF. Maybe Lakshmi I think may not be there. I didn't create such file. Already maybe there internally. Maybe there. Lakshmi one. What it is saying? It is even though file not there, it is saying something. I may go with like this. RM. I may go like this. It will say something. See, no such file or direct. At least you got it. Not tell me. See, without file, what it is saying? Without file, how can I remove? Is it saying or not? Please respond. Without file, how can I remove? Is it clear or not? If file really exists, then only I can remove. For example, I think file 3 is there, right? File 3 is there, right? RM. File 3. Observe carefully. File 3. What happening here? File is removed or not? Please respond. File is removed or not? ls-ltr. File 3, is it removed or not? Check it and tell me. Where is the file? 1 is there, 2 is there. Is there any file 3? Just now I removed. I hope you got it or not. We're asking one file. That file is exist. We'll try to remove it. If not exist, a file does not exist. A file does not exist. I think no need to write, right? Can I write it? Please respond. Shall I write or no need to write? Your wish. Based on your wish, I can do it. Yes or no, Neeta?
Right.
Hey,
Okay.
sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll try for how to do that one. VI. What is the file name? I am taking maybe F1 file 1 dot sh. Here we need to read from the keyboard. You know how to read it. Read insert read -p. This is a well-known story. Enter file name. You know how to read the file name, right? F name. Here many people are feeling why SR is giving F name. F name means meaningful name is file name only. You may give some other name also. Now see, if tell me, if square bracket -e, what is that? $sign F name. If you are exist, I may able to do something. What you want to do? Echo, for example, echo a file exists. A file exists. Okay, good. That file I am removed by using rm -rf. What is the file name? $sign F name. Once it is removed, right? You make you okay. File is removed successfully. You make you like this. Echo file removed successfully. Now else echo. Please respond here. Echo. What I need to write here? $sign F name not exist. Exist. Not exist. Is it clear or not? What is the end keyword? F5. Escape. Shift : X. Now check it here. Here is bash ./f1.sh. What it is asking? File name. Here see any one file name and tell me. Just you tell me either file or directory. That is not a problem. But that will feel like a
File 1.
both are file 1. I am giving file 1. 1C file removed successfully. ls-ltr. Check it. File 1 exists or not? Observe and tell me. File 1 exists or not?
Removed, sir.
In Linux, one problem is there. Once you remove it, you may not roll back more. For that, what will you do? You may take the backup. You may create a backup file, or you may create tar file. You may take backup. Or for example, I may take backup. For example, Neetu is there, right? Neetu, some content is there or not? Yes. I want to take backup. How can they take backup? In general scenario. CP. Neetu. Here is the Neetu. .bh. What is the name am I given? Neetu space Neetu.bh. What happens here? ls-ltr. Everybody observe. ls-ltr. Now Neetu is there. Neetu.bh is there. Unfortunately, what I may do? rm. What I want to delete? Neetu. Now check it. Am I deleted or not? ls-ltr. I may miss hyphen. ls-ltr. Is it removed or not? Please respond. Removed. You may ask me, sir, unwanted like deleted, sir. I realized, sir. I want Neetu, sir. Will you get it? You will never get it. What I did already? I did backup, right? When CP, now Neetu, dot BAK. I am creating NETH. NETH. Now check it. LS-LTR. LS-LTR. Are you getting this Neetu right? Neetu, where is Neetu? There. See it. Ma check it. Ma how many bytes are there in Neetu file? Again 10 only, right? Again 10 only, right? CAT cat. Again Neetu. Check it. Same content is there or not? Same content is there or not? In that way, we need to do. Even in companies also, before touching any one file, you need to do like this operation. This is the good procedure now. Without touching file, first you need to copy it and move it to somewhere else. Move it into somewhere else. Move it into some another file. You no need to move some temp directory. No need to move somewhere else. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? I hope you
Yes,
got
sir.
to here. Oh, we don't want many applications. You try. Maybe there see string one is equal to. Okay, we'll see string related operation. That is also important. String related operations. Many applications. Copyright. See, they given something. Home Durgas of X. Home Durgas of what does it mean? We are copying this file into this location. But copy won't work, ma. Only CP. Only CP. Cut it or not? Maybe shall we check copy is working or not? We'll try it. Maybe my feeling copy may not work. We'll check it. Here, what I need to check. See, copy. Maybe checking Neetu, NEETH. There or not? Neetu there, right? NEE. Neetu. Now NEE dot BAK assume. Maybe work or not. See what it is saying, ma. Observe and tell me anyone. Copy command is there or not? Please respond.
Copy command not found, sir. It's not
How can
working.
we say? For example, man, CP, man CP. Man means anyone can guess it. Manual. Man means what? Manual. Simply we can say man script. Enter. Help is there. Help is there or not? Yes. Q. Now see COPY. Man. Man. COPY. Like that we can check it, ma. Like that we can check it. Oh, man, COPY. No manual entry for copy. That means what? Oh, such command is not there. Such command is not there. I hope you agree with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Here, they may, here, if you see it, you may feel, oh, sir is not telling this command. Sir, I think sir don't know this command. Even I don't know, command is not there. I hope you got it. Now, number of command line argument should be 2. They're giving one condition. Based on the condition. Okay. String test options. Somewhere we discussed that string 1 is equal to string 2. String 1 not is equal to string 2. Shall we manually check it? May work or not? If not working, we'll go with shell script. I think string 1. I may go with string 1, string 2 only for our easy understanding. Now, str1, please observe, is equal to welcome. I written something. String, I need to give string 1, right? String 1. Now, how can I change string to string 1? Neither you tell me. How can I change string 1 to string to string 1? I need to change it. Unfortunately, I written str. That name I want to change. I want to rename. I given clue. I given clue. Others also respond. I am not interacting Neetu only. I am interacting means Neetu means others also. MV. MV means movement. STR2, STR1.
Tier 1.
Something goes wrong. What it is saying? No such file. Why?
Language
That,
forwarder.
why? This is the variable, right? This is the variable. Okay. This is the variable. Oh, variable names. Variable names. Okay. We know it. Unset. STR. Oh, my intention is STR1 is equal to welcome. STR2 is equal to welcome. Got it? Now, STR3, please observe and tell me one name. Maybe DevOps. Now check it. str1 maybe is equal to str2. These are variables, right, ma? Variables, right? I need to give dollar sign. You know it, right?
Dollars.
Dollar sign. A dollar sign. See, here is not supporting, ma. How can I do it? By using if condition. By using if condition. Here
If
I
condition.
made right. So they are taking one condition or not. They are taking condition. Both strings are equal or both strings are not equal.
Not
Now we'll
equal.
go on. We'll check it in this way. Now sudo vi. Sudo vi str dot sh. We are taking like that. Now same read hyphen p enter string one str1 good str1 same way read hyphen p enter str2 you may know str2. Now how can I check if now tell me dollar sign str1. Here observe carefully, space is mandatory, is equal to mandatory. Again, space is mandatory. Dollar sign, what is that? str2. Now space. Then echo, both VOTH are equal or equal. Otherwise, simply, you know the message, right? Else, both are not equal. Simply, we may go with remaining apply will after that. Both are not equal. VOTH. Both are not equal. Not equal. Now you have to escape. Shift colon X. Now tell me dash. What is that? Dot slash str dot sh. I know. We know, right? We know we need to enter, right? String one. Enter string one. What I did there. Welcome, right? Welcome. String two. Welcome. What I am getting, both are equal. I am on rerun. Welcome. First one, dev apps or up to Velma. Comb. You come, right? COM, you come. CAM, you came, I am giving. Welcome, welcome. Check it. Both are not equal. Both are not equal. Now we'll go and check. String 1 is less than string 2 or string 2 is less than string 1. Shall we go for that? See the syntax. See the syntax. What they provided. First see the syntax. See, string 1 is less than string 2 or string 1 is greater than string 1. You know this already. You know this, right? Please respond anyone. What does it mean? See, read it and at least try to explain. What it represents hyphen
Empty
G.
file or empty string.
Empty string. Empty string. Returns true if the string is C. Hyphen N represents what? String is not. At least G opposite N opposite G. G opposite N opposite G. You got it or not? Now you need to understand. You need to understand which one, which one less than or greater than. Less than or greater. Try to apply. Try to apply. I may enhance this one. I may enhance. How can I enhance? First, both are equal. Okay, good. Both are equal. If both are not equal, maybe lesser or greater, right? Maybe lesser or greater, right? Same. I am taller than you or I am shorter than you. Both may be possible, right? Both may be possible, right? You and me sometimes may be equal. You and me sometimes may not. May not means either may taller or maybe not taller. Else, tell me, how can I write else if command? How can I write anyone tell me? How can I write else if keyword? How can I write else if keyword? Anyone respond? How can I respond? ELIF, 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 square bracket. Please respond. Dollar sign, str1, dollar sign, str1. You need to specify less than, right? See, this is the backslash. Less than, what is that? Dollar sign, what is that?
Dollars.
str2, string, string. Then what will you do? Then echo ECHO, echo. Here is dollar STR1 is less than
STR.
dollar sign STR2. You got it or not? Opposite one is what? Opposite. What is the opposite? Dollar sign STR1 is greater than STR2, right? Dollar sign STR1 is not less than. See, here is okay. Make you like that. Not less than. I'll try to explain. Not less than dollar sign STR. I think everything is fine. Just escape it. Shift colon X. Can I check this? Bash. I'm giving Rama. Observe Sita. Now tell me, both are equal or not equal? Both are equal or not equal? Anyone? Am I audible or not? First tell me, am I audible or not? Am I audible or not? I am audible, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now what I am expecting from your side? Here I given Rama Sita. Both are equal or not equal? First tell me. Not equal. Well known story, right? Not equal. Here which string is greater? Which string is lesser? You know ASCII codes, right? You know ASCII codes. I am trying to explain. See ASCII codes. How many of you know? See small a to small z, small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, capital A to capital Z. Here capital A started with 65 ma. 65 maybe end with 90 or 91, maybe 90 ending with. Here small a start with 97 ma. 90, 97. Maybe plus 25 you try to add, that is the number. Plus 25. What is that? Try to add 25. Try to add 25. 119 or 129? I think 119 or 129. 197 plus 25 mark. 119. Maybe that is the right one. Maybe assume. Here they are taking letters. What are the letters we given here? R, A, M, A. In the same way I am taking SITA. Take SITA. Sita. Here R is bigger or S is bigger? First check and tell me. According to our scenario, after
Yes, sir.
R, S is there. MNOPQRS. First, these two letters will check. Now, compared to Rama, Sita is bigger. Why Sita is bigger? Please observe and tell me. After R letter, maybe alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. First, these two letters will compare. If one letter he is comparing with another, something is different, right? Something is different. Here itself, Sita is greater, Rama is not greater. Sita is greater, Rama is not greater. In this way, it will check it. Now, what happens? Tell me. Rama is less than Sita. What does it mean? Sita is bigger, right? What did he say? Rama is less than Sita. Rama is less than Sita. Are you agree with me or not? I may go with other way. Other way in the sense? First I may give Sita. Next I may give Rama. Now check it what happens. Now check it. Sita is no less than or not less than? Not less than Rama. I hope you got it. I am going with once again. Rama. Again Rama. Once again Rama. Now check it and tell me. Both are equal. I may go with Sita. I may go with Sita. SITA. Both are equal or not equal? Both are equal or not equal? Both are equal. Both are equal. Clear or not clear? Tell me. Clear or not clear? Here, who am I? Who am I in the sense what? Somewhere we many times we use it, right? I think I am using smartphone. I am using who am I? Who am I? Which user I am? Which user I am? Root user. I am which user? Which user? You know how to enter into SU hyphen A. What is that? User A. User A. Where I am in SU hyphen A, right? SU, right? SU hyphen A. Space A. Space A. I'm moving to user A. Yes, asking password. You know it. A. It is what I am using. Again, who am I? Up pair, it may work, I think. Who am I? I think it is not that. Who am I? First time I give who at least giving full-fledged information, which is the right way. Here you may get more right. Who am I? Or agree with me? Who am I will given username. Who am I given username? In our program, in our logic, what they are giving? In our logic, what they are giving? Hey, you are the root user, current user, not root user. Current user is not root user. Is it clear or not? You want to check running processes ma PS hyphen EF. See, you know PS means how many of you know PS means process statuses. PS. Check it PS what it is giving. Running processes. Running process. Bash is one process. One more process means. Here what the given command name is. Please respond. PS hyphen. Please respond. PS hyphen EF. PS hyphen EF. Now try to check it here. What does it mean? Man, PS. Now enter. What the given check it? There PS hyphen EF, PS hyphen EF to see every process on the system using standard syntax. PS hyphen E OK, PS hyphen EF OK, PS hyphen capital EF OK, PS hyphen EL by. Got it or not? PS hyphen. Even sometimes make you AUX. PS hyphen AUX. Maybe it is there or not. It is there or not. I'll check it. PS hyphen AUX. Q. PS. PS hyphen AUX. As it, these are the different processes. AUX means all. U means users. All users. AUX. X means we need to check my PS. I think man PS. Man PS. PS means process status. Now try to observe AUX. What does it mean? Somewhere it is there words. A means what? Lift the PSD style only yourself. Okay. AC select all processes. Sima. Select all processes except both session leaders. Except select all processes. A. U. Try to observe U. Where is the U? Will be there here. U. U. U means U represents users. Even check it. Users list. Is it giving or not? Sima. U represents what? Users list. X means. X means. X. Small x. Register format. Register format. AUX. AUX. Register format. Even capital X is there. Where is small x? Check it. Small x we need. Small x we need. See, somewhere small x is there. Where is that? I think here also no. Need to check small x. Small x. Where is small x? No, I think no here. X. Feel means something extracting or sweeping. Okay, we need to go with other way. Somewhere it is there. PS stands for what? Running processes. PS means what? Running processes. Even see DF, DF, Q. Here mainly top command is the top command. This is also showing running process. This is also showing running process. See which user, even A user is visible, right? Sometimes even in previous scenario, have you seen one user, A user A. See, is it visible or not? User is. See, check it here. Sometimes you check it, enter it. I may get it, user A. Up arrow, enter it. See, user A is visible or not? Yes, it is running. Q, DF, DF, hyphen KH. What does it mean? File system defaults. File system. These are the file system. MKFS, MKFS, or TMPFS file systems. Okay, file systems. These things we can apply through shell script. These things we can apply through shell script. Now the given simple thing, PS hyphen F at first only top file lines only I want to see. See what is the drawback here? If I use PS, only PS I'm not giving nothing. See only. Maybe if I give EF, what happens? EF, it will show multiple. I want to see only top 5. At that time I go for head. That's all. Just head. 10 it will go. I want 5 only. At that time I go for minus 5. It will show only minus 5. Top 5. Top 5. You got it or not? Yes. The 5 current running process information. This command is very, very important now. This is the interview question. PS hyphen EF processes. Which processes? Running process. The 5 current running processes information. I think in Docker also I may use Docker PS. Docker PS. Even case syntax. Case syntax. Tomorrow we'll see case. Case means in C++ Java, switch case. In C++ Java, switch case is nothing but your case or ESCA. Opening, starting with CASC, ending with ESEAC. ESEAC. See the syntax here? Starting with case, ending with what? Starting with the if, ending with fi, in the same way, reversing. CASC, case, CAS. What is the opposite? CAS. That is the reverse, right? ES, SR. ESAC, SR with the reverse. Till now, anybody facing any difficulty, try to ask me. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, any doubt? I think no doubt. Please stop recording.